For nearly a century, humanity has diagnosed the problem: climate change, biodiversity collapse, soil degradation, water instability. The diagnosis is complete. What has been missing is not knowledge, it is execution. This episode marks the end of debate and the beginning of deployment. Everything before this point established why Earth is failing. Everything after this point explains how it is restored. Not symbolically, not politically. Structurally, Earth restoration is not a single project. It is a systems problem that requires system solutions. Carbon does not move in isolation. Water does not behave independently. Soil, vegetation, atmosphere, and human activity are coupled. Restoration only works when these systems are treated together. That is why solutions cannot be abstract. They must be biome-specific. They must be measurable. They must be scalable. From this point forward, each episode focuses on implementation. Each solution will be evaluated using the same framework. What grows fastest? What absorbs the most carbon per hectare? What stabilizes soil and water? What produces food or economic value? What it costs to deploy, including a safety buffer. No optimism bias, no idealism, only math, biology, and logistics. This is not about saving nature in theory. It is about restoring function in practice. Forests are not planted for aesthetics. They are planted to move carbon, regulate rainfall, and anchor soil. Grasslands are not empty land. They are deep carbon reservoirs. Wetlands are not wasted space. They are planetary lungs. Every biome on Earth already contains the tools needed for restoration. What has been missing is coordination. From this episode onward, we stop asking what went wrong. We focus on what works and where, we know how fast and at what cost. This is the solutions phase. And once solutions are visible, inaction becomes a choice.